If your Android phone is running a bit slower than you would like it to run, there's one setting that makes a huge impact in speeding up your Android phone, no matter what phone you have and how old it is. I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to be able to turn off that one setting. So let's jump right in. Take your finger and swipe up and find the Settings app on your Android phone. Just tap on the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on About Phone at the bottom. Scroll down again, tap on Software Information. Scroll down, and on Build Number, you're going to tap on this 7 times to enable the developer mode. I'll show you how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you'll enter in the PIN that you use just to unlock your Android phone. And hit continue. And tap OK at the bottom right. Now, let's get into developer mode by tapping the back arrow. Tap the back arrow again. Scroll down and there's a new option called Developer Options. Tap on that. And now there's a long list of developer options, but we're not going to just scroll through it. We'll just search for what we need. Tap on the search bar at the top right and search for background and tap on search at the bottom right. Scroll down until you get to the section that says developer options and tap on background process limit. It will immediately take you there. You can see it's a long list. Tap on background process limit and you can see it's set to standard. However, you can limit the number of background processes that your Android phone does. Essentially, these are apps that you're not currently using, aren't currently on the screen. You can limit their functionality so all of the resources essentially go to what's currently on your screen and what you're currently doing, boosting up your phone. So I would recommend switching this to, say, 2 or 3 background processes, or if your phone is really slow, you can switch it to no background processes. Now, I'm going to give you one other bonus tip within the developer options to speed up your phone. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap on search here, and we're going to search for scale. You can see scale here. Tap on search and scroll down to the bottom again. Under developer options, tap on transition animation scale. And again, it will take you to that section. You can see 3 options here: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. On all 3 of these, we're going to tap on it and switch this to the 0.5x option. So go through all 3 of these, tap on it, and tap on 0.5x. Essentially, this means that all of the animations and transitions and the basically movement of your phone as you're switching around to different apps or swiping will all respond a lot quicker, making your phone immediately feel that much faster. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.